My dear students, good evening. Today I am going to discuss determination of log and antilog values of any numbers. I am Dr. Gunasegaran, Professor of Chemistry. Why we must know to determine log values from 1 to 10, including fraction, without calculator. So, because in chemistry, specifically in thermodynamics, there are two equations under isothermal process. One for a isothermal reversible process for work, that is W reversible equal to minus 2.003 nRT log V2 by V1. So, if log value V2 by V1 is given, we must know to calculate without calculator. The same way, for isothermal irreversible process, again, W equal to 2.003 nRT log V2 by V1. Again, we have to calculate log V2 by V1. So, in thermodynamics, this is useful. The next chapter, under equilibrium, again, we must calculate log value. For example, pH is equal to minus log H plus. So, the acidity can be measured with the help of pH value. If pH is 7 neutral, less than 7 acidic, more than 7 basic. So, here also it is useful. The same way, in the case of base, POH is equal to minus log OH. Normally OH and H plus will be expressed in terms of normality. This is under equilibrium. And again under equilibrium, under buffer solution, there is an equation called Nernst equation. There we are having two equations for we have to know to calculate log value. For example, for acidic buffer, pH is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. We have to calculate. So, if the ratio of salt by acid is known, if it is coming in some fraction, whole number, whatever it may be, so we must know to calculate. Okay. Same way, in the case of basic buffer, what we have to do? We have to calculate POH is equal to pKb plus log salt by base. Again, we must calculate log value. The next one, under the kinetics, for first order kinetic, rate constant is equal to K equal to 2.03 by T log A by A minus X. A initial concentration, X amount is used, A minus X the remaining amount. So, if you know the A value and if you know the A minus value, again log of A by A minus X we have to calculate. So, we must know the technique of how to take logarithm. The next chapter is, again in the chemical kinetics, there is another equation, that is, in order to determine the energy of activation, we can calculate, we have apply equation, log K2 by K1 is equal to EA, energy of activation, by 2.03 R, gas constant, into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. So here also, we have to calculate log K2 by K1. Kindly follow. So, the next, under surface chemistry, and we have again, we have to take log value. So, according to free unleashed adsorption isotherm for gases, kindly follow, X by M equal to K into P to the power of 1 by N. Taking logarithm on both sides, we are getting this equation, that is log X by M equal to log K plus 1 by N log P. So again, you must know how to calculate log values. This is under surface chemistry. The next one, under electrochemistry, specifically the Daniels cell. So the E value, E cell value is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by N log Zn2 plus by Cu2 plus. Again, log value, we have the log value. So again, we have to calculate the log value. So, in a number of places, we are having the log values we have to calculate. So what here I am going to give idea. So how to calculate log values and anti-log values whenever we require. So this is not only important in chemistry, but also in physics and mathematics. For that, the students, my dear students, you must memory the log 1 to log 10 values and 3 other formula. Log 1 equal to 0, log 2 0.3010, log 3 0.4771, log 4 0.6020, log 5 0.6989, log 6 0.7781, and log 7 0.8450, log 8 0.9030, and log 9 0.9540, and log 10 equal to 1. And my dear students, log 1 0, log 10 1 everybody knows. So I am giving an advice. You memorize only 4 values enough. That is, what are the value? Log 2 value you memorize. That is 0.3010. Then all odd numbers. Log 3, 0.4771 you have to memorize. Log 5, 0.6989, or simply we will say 0.70 we can. And log 7, 0.8450 or 0.85. So only these 4 numbers, if you memorize, you can calculate any value for logarithm values. And also, when you go for anti-log, this formula will be useful for you. What is that? Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B. Log A to the power of X equal to X log A. So these are the informations you must know. Please, students, kindly memorize log 2, log 3, log 5 and log 7. Very, very useful. So let me take now specific example and I will explain. Kindly follow. Now, the first example, now I am going to take here the determination of log value of 3.6. How I have to determine 3.6? Kindly follow. I am giving in the form of steps. But during examination, not necessary we have to follow the steps. Since this is applicable for students' point of view, I am giving this. After the practice, you can do it within few seconds. Kindly follow me. So to determine log of 3.6, so kindly follow, log of 3.6 lies between log 3 and log 4. That means 3.6, the value, lies between 3 and 4. Understand? Okay, that means now what you have to follow, you have to take first higher value, log 4, that is 0.6020 from the memory. And the next one, log of 3, that is 0.4771. You take this difference. Take the difference between these two. The difference it is given here, it is 0.149. Kindly follow. What is the next step is, now there are 3.6 we have. Log 3 value already given. Log 3, what is the value? 0.4771 log 3 value. And 0.6. So we have to calculate log of 0.6. How for that what we have to do? So the difference 0.1249 that we are getting from the log of 4 minus log of 3, and then multiply that fraction 0.6, you will get this value 0.07494. Now, so for the convenience, I am writing log of 3.6. I am writing log of 3 plus log of 0.6. Please follow. Log of 3.6 I am writing as log of 3 plus log of 0.6. Log of 3 from the table or memory we know 0.4771. And log of 0.6 we have already calculated, that is, this is the value 0.07494. Simply add, you are getting the answer 0.5520. So if you apply calculator, simply press log and type 3.6 and then equally put, you will get the value from the calculator. Again same value 0.5563. So that the difference come only in the third decimal. So it is very, very easy way you can calculate. Dear students, so for that you need the table, very, very important. Okay. So here we are seeing only 3.6, one decimal. Suppose we are getting 2 decimal, what we have to do? So let me take now the second example. How to determine the log of 3.62? The first case 3.6. Now second 2 decimal 3.62. As usual, the log value of 3.62 lies between log of 3 and log of 4. And log of 4 value, as you will know already, 0.6020. And log of 3 equal to 0.4771. The difference you will get now the same value 0.1249. So 3.62 between 3 and 4, that's why we are subtracting. Okay. Now, so we know log of 3 because log of 3 we know. So log of 0.62 we must calculate. Log of 0.62, that is equal to the difference between log of 4 and log of 3, and multiplied by the fraction 0.62, you will get this value, that is 0.077438. This is the value. Now, log of 3.62, I am writing my convenient way, log of 3 plus log of 0.62. Log of 3 I know from the table or from the memory 0.4771, and log of 6.62, it is the value I have calculated 0.07748 I am getting from here. So by adding I am getting the answer. The correct answer is 0.5545. That means the logarithm of 3.62 is equal to 0.5545. The same value, if I use calculator, the value it is 0.5587. Only difference comes in the third decimal. Kindly follow. Up to 2 decimal, it is correct. I hope it's very clear. So I have explained 2 things. One is the log of 1 decimal number and log of 2 decimal number I have explained. Now let me go for the antilog. What is antilog? Determination of antilog. What is the relationship between log and antilog? The antilog is inverse of log. For example, log 1000 equal to 10 to the power of log 10 to the power of 3, that is equal to 3. Antilog of 3, that is nothing but 1000. The same way, another example, log 3, 0.4771 and antilog of 0.4771 equal to 3. So this is the way we have to correlate with antilog and log. So with this, I am now going for antilog value for positive 2.7. For this the value I am going to calculate without calculator. What is the antilog of 2.7? So 2.7 I am writing in the form of, that is log a to the power of x format. So 2 log 10 plus 0.7 log 10. 0.7 log 10. So that I can rewrite in this way, log 0.7, that is this value. So this is nothing but 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2. But here 0.7 lies between 0.7 and 0.78. Kindly follow. 0.7 lies between 0.70 and 0.78. From the log value of, for log of 6 is 0.78 and log of 5 is 0.7. So since it is 0.7, so value it is 5. Kindly follow. So log 0.7 equal to 5. So therefore the antilog of 2.7 equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 2. 5 into 10 to the power of 2. Please follow. Very, very easy. So from the calculator, we are getting the same answer. 5 into 10 to the power of 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, let me go for the second decimal, that is the positive value, second decimal. 2.72. Here one additional important factor you must know. So what is the antilog of 2.72? So I can write using the formula log a to the power of x formula. So here I will write 2 log 10 plus 0.72 log 10. That I will write nothing but log 0.72 into 10 to the power of 2. 0.72 lies between 0.70 and 0.78 from the memory of logarithm values. That is log of 6 equal to 0.78, log of 5 equal to 0.70. That means 0.72 I can write in this form. If I subtract 0.7, the difference is 0.02. Kindly follow. Or other way I can write 0.72 equal to 0.70 plus 0.02. That is the value. Now, log 0.02 I have to calculate. Because I know already 70 nothing but log 5. Log 5 is nothing but 5. We know already. So I can easily put 5 value for that one. Whereas log of 0.02, how to get now? Now the difference between 6 and 5 log 0.78 and 0.07, that is 0.78 minus 0.70, the difference is 0.08. This is the value. Kindly follow. This is the value, the difference. So if this difference, which is 0.08 equal to, the different number is 1. So 1 by 0.08, kindly follow, 1 by 0.08 into, now what is our number? We have to calculate for that, 0.02. Multiplied by 0.02, we are getting the value of 0.25. Very, very easy now. So now I can now write here, kindly follow. So thus log 72 I will write in the form of log 0.7 plus log 0.02. So log 7 nothing but 5 and log 0.2 I have already written, that is 0.25 I have calculated here. I have calculated here. So now just see here, the correct answer is the antilog of 2.72 is nothing but 5.25 into 10 to the power of 2. For the same antilog of 2.72 positive value, from the calculator, if you calculate, answer is 5.2480 into 10 to the power of 2. 5.2480, nothing but 5.25. So both answers are same. Kindly follow. Next, let me go for the negative logarithm of antilog, negative value of antilog. Here I am taking the example of minus the 9.4. So, antilog of minus 9.4 is equal to antilog of, for my convenience I am writing minus 9, minus 1, plus 1. So, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel automatically. So, minus 0.4. So, I am writing for my convenient, minus 9.4 in this form. So, minus 9 minus 1 are becoming 10 automatically. And then 1 minus 0.4, it becomes by 0.6. So, one case 10, other case 0.6. Kindly follow. So, this I am writing in this form here, minus 10 log 10 plus 0.6 log 10. This is the for antilog of minus 9.4. So, as usual, I know already, this value log 10 to the power of 10, nothing but the minus value this is. So, I can now simply write 10 to the power of minus 10 and log 0.6. Now what I have to, from the log value 0.6, nothing but 4 for log 4 equal to 0.6. So, what will happen now? So, I am now getting the antilog of minus 9.4 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Kindly follow. So from the calculator, if you apply, we are getting the answer 3.9810 into 10 to the power of minus 10, nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So both values are same. So, very, very important. So this is for 1 decimal. For 2 decimal negative antilog, how we have to calculate? Let me see now. Suppose I am taking now the antilog of minus 9.42. Antilog of minus 9.42 equal to, I will write antilog of within bracket minus 9 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.42. Kindly follow. So when you write this one, as usual, minus 1 minus 9 minus 1, 10 minus 10. And the other side plus 1 minus 0.42 plus 0.6. Okay, thus I can apply here. So antilog of minus 9.42 equal to minus 10 log 10. And then the difference kindly follow the 4 to money, that means 58. That is 4 to 1 minus 0.42, nothing but 0.58 is the correct answer. So I am writing plus 0.58 log 10. Kindly follow. So when I subtract plus 1 minus 0.42, I am getting 0.58 plus value. So that is I am writing 0.58 log 10. Now, so I am rewriting now log 10 to the power of minus 10. I can simply write in the form of 10 to the power of minus 10 and log to the power of 0.58 I have to calculate. So what I will do now, the value of 5.8, logarithm value of 5.8 lies between 0.6 and 4.77. 4.77. I know 4.771 for log 3 and 0.6 is for 4. So I have to subtract these two. So when I have to subtract these two, so automatically I am getting the same value, that is 0.1249. So 0.6 minus 0.4771, if I subtract the value, it is 0.1249. This is the value. So this is the value, the whole number is 1. Now I have to calculate for antilog of the 0.10, I have to find out. For 10, how to do now? So simply we know that is 0.6 minus 0.771, that is we have already know that is 0.1449. So to calculate the log value of 0.10 that we are getting from the difference of log 3 and log log 4. So 1 by 0.1249 into 0.10, that value will give 0.8. So antilog of minus 9.42, I can give it in the form of, that is the three values for that is 0.4771, that is 0. That is for the 4 value, that is 3 value, log 3 value, that is 0.4771, so it is 3. And the correspondingly log 0.10 value we have calculated, it is 0.8. So it is 3.8 is the answer. So 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 is the correct answer. And from the calculator, it was calculated as 3.801 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So once again, my dear students, the only difference here for 2 decimal places, you should be careful here. So the first case, simply we are taking directly we are taking from the logarithm value. But here, the 0.2 decimal in this case, 0.58, the difference I am finding out as 0.10. For that, I am calculating the value 0.8. What way? 1 by 0.1249, that is the value difference between the log 3 and log 4. Then into log 0.1.8. So answer is 0.4771 is 3 and 0.108 is 0.8. So it is 3.8 to 10 to the power of minus 10 value. I hope, my dear students, you have enjoyed the log and antilog values of any number up to 1 and 2 decimal places. Thank you very much. Bye.